Anthropic just released their new model. No, it's not GPT-5, not even Gemini 3. It's Claude 4, their next flagship model. It's friendly, smart, even smarter than Gemini 2.5 Pro according to benchmarks. Of course, we don't trust benchmarks, so we will test them side by side to see which does better. To see how they handle HTML and CSS, I will ask them to build a landing page for my hair salon. Then, to see how they handle logic, I will ask them to build a recipe app that stores recipes and ingredients so I can make a shopping list. We asked them to build a snake game but with some unexpected features, and a platformer game with character animations. So for the landing page, I give them the same prompt and turn on canvas mode in GPT. Surprisingly, GPT solved it in 35 lines with React and Tailwind CSS. On the other hand, Claude just built a full HTML file with CSS and JavaScript. It even added some animations and it definitely looks better. The code looks less maintainable, but I think Claude could refactor it. The recipe app is a bit harder. This time, both models choose React for the job. GPT was faster and it made an impressive work. It created a form for adding recipes, but it was a little bit basic on the ingredients part. I was able to add and remove items from the shopping list, but not more than that. When Claude finished, it changed everything. It almost kicked GPT out of the game. It looks like Claude 4 is much better at styling and UX. For the next challenge, I asked both of them to create a snake game, and Claude failed. I was not able to even start the game. After asking, it of course fixed it. When the games were working, I gave them an extra task, which was to create an unexpected new feature to check their creativity. Both of them came up with the same idea to create a portal on the map. The implementation was a bit different, but still it's the same idea. Of course, Claude made it prettier this time as well. Their last task was to create a platformer game with animation. GPT's implementation was much simpler and the game looked crappier. At least it was able to solve the task. On the other hand, Claude made an awesome job. It even put enemies to the platforms. Claude definitely won this race. But it's important to know that it's much more expensive than GPT. Even if the subscription is cheaper, Claude limits the message count harder than GPT. Thanks for watching, that was Claude 4 versus GPT. If you liked coding with Claude and want to try out an AI code editor, watch this video on the screen.